What if I told you that real attractiveness has almost nothing to do with how you look and everything to do with how you think? That without chasing anyone's attention, you could naturally draw people toward you, simply by the way you carry yourself. Sounds hard to believe? Stay with me, because what we're diving into today is not about tricks or trends. It's about timeless wisdom, straight from the Stoics. Attractiveness isn't about being the loudest in the room, having perfect features, or dressing a certain way. It's about the energy you project, the calm, the clarity, the confidence that speaks before you even say a word. And the Stoics, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, they understood something we often forget. People aren't drawn to noise. They're drawn to peace. They're drawn to someone who's grounded, resilient, and doesn't flinch in the face of pressure. So, what does that look like in real life? It starts with presence. In a world where everyone's trying to talk over each other, someone who listens deeply stands out instantly, not listening to reply, but listening to understand. When you make someone feel genuinely heard, it hits different. It makes them feel seen, and that's magnetic. Then comes inner peace. Imagine being the calmest person in the room, no matter what's happening around you. That's power. Because chaos is loud, but calm is captivating. When you're centered, people feel it. They're drawn to it. And that calm, it's something you can build through reflection, discipline, even just a few minutes of stillness each day. You don't chase energy, you become it. And when you speak with purpose, not to impress, not to dominate, but because what you say carries weight. The Stoics believed that wise speech is rare, and that's what makes it powerful. When you talk less, but with clarity and thought, people listen more. You command attention without trying. Then there's resilience. Life throws punches. That's a given. But when you meet setbacks with strength, when you don't let hard times break your spirit, that's when people notice. They might not say it out loud, but they feel it. Because resilience is inspiring. It shows that you don't just survive the storm, you become the calm inside it. And none of this works without integrity. When you live by your values, even when no one's watching, you earn respect quietly, without performance. The Stoics knew that approval from others means nothing if it comes at the cost of your character. Be consistent. Be honest. Do what's right even when it's hard. That kind of authenticity, it's rare. And it's unforgettable. And finally, forget perfection. That's not what makes you attractive. Growth does. When people see that you're constantly learning, evolving, becoming better, they connect with you. Because perfection isn't relatable, but effort is. The willingness to grow, to stumble, to rise again, that's real, and it draws people to you like nothing else. These Stoic habits don't just change how others see you, they change how you see yourself. And once that shift happens, everything else follows. You stop needing validation. You stop chasing attention, because you become the kind of person who naturally attracts it. If this resonated with you, let it sit. Don't just hear it, live it. And if you're ready to keep growing, make sure you're subscribed. Because this is just the beginning. The journey to becoming magnetic starts inside, and I'm here to walk it with you, too.